Good morning. May the 4th be with you. We've got Yoda here. So it's a Monday. We're excited to be learning new things. Okay, so today we're going to be going through two different theorems. And we're going to be talking about angles in triangles, the different sums and exterior angles theorem. So grab your notebooks, grab your pens, get ready to pause videos if you need to. Sorry, I've got this little streak of light. I can't do anything about it. Okay, so what we're going to be doing today is determining the angles using triangular sum and exterior angle theorem. So we're going to get into it, and we are going to have some definitions to start out. Okay, so with the triangle sum theorem, it states that if you add all the interior angles in a triangle, they add up to 180 degrees. And algebraically, that looks like angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 180. So all these that are inside the triangle are equal to 180. Any triangle. It could be obtuse, acute, whatever. It's any triangle equals 180. That's really important. Okay. And before we get on to the other theorem, I want to talk about three kind of side definitions that we should know. All right, so interior angle, that's the inside angle. So we talked about interior angles being on the inside. Then we have the exterior angle. So that's the angle that's on the outside of the triangle. Okay, so this exterior angle would be angle 4. And then the remote interior angles. So these are angles that are on the inside, but they are not connected to the exterior angle. So we see that 3 is connected to the 4, therefore it's not a remote interior angle. But 1 and 2 are not connected to 4, so that's a remote interior angle. Okay, so keep that in mind. Okay, so exterior angle theorem. So that states that the remote interior angles, so angles 1 and 2, are going to, when they added together, equal the exterior angle. So if you look back up at the diagram, angle 1 and 2, when you add those two together, it's going to equal angle 4. So algebraically, our measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2, oh, you guys can't even see that, equals the measure of angle 4. So the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 is equal to the measure of angle 4. So these two theorems are what we're going to be going over today. It's going to be short, sweet, and simple. And if you have any questions, let me know. So we're going to get to 3 different examples of solving for the unknown. We've got Yoda here, so he's really helping us out today with all of this. And look, I have this one too. So don't upset a Wookiee. Fun fact. That's a good pause. Okay. Got these all written down. If you need to pause the video, pause it. Write down these examples, and we'll get right to it. Okay, so we are solving for x right here. And remember, if you look back at the triangle sum theorem, we know that measure of angle 1, 2, and 3 equals 180. So we just add all these up, and it equals 180. So we'll start with whatever angle. Doesn't really matter. So 55 plus 60 plus x, right, equals 180. And then we solve for x. So we combine like terms. So 55 plus 60 is what? 115. Great job. Okay, and now this is just a one-step equation. You're not getting rid of those anytime soon. So we're going to draw the line down the equal sign. We'll find the side with the variable. We'll find the number not attached to the variable and perform the opposite operation. So the number not attached is 115. It's a positive, so the opposite of positive is minus. So you're going to subtract 115. Subtract 115, and x equals 180 minus 115 is, you guessed it, 65. All right, so x, the measure for x is 65, degrees. Make sure that you label it with the degrees symbol because all measures are in degrees. Okay, example number 2, a little bit more tricky, but we have two remote interior angles, or we have two interior angles, and then we have our exterior angle. So we know that if we look back at our exterior angle theorem, it states that measure of angle 1 plus 2 equals measure of angle 4. So what you can do is just add these two up, and that's going to equal what x is. So 110 plus 33 equals x. You guys are smart. 110 plus 33, what does that equal? 143 degrees is what x equals. So this is 143 degrees. All right, now you've leveled up and you're on to the third one. It's a little bit more challenging, but you guys are smart. So we've got an exterior angle that we know the value of, and we have two remote interior angles. How can we set this up? If you want to pause the video right here and try it on your own, go for it. If you just want to follow along, think about what the exterior angle theorem states. If you add these two together, it's going to equal the exterior angle. Adding the two remote interiors equals the exterior. So when we add it up, it's going to be 24 plus what? What are we adding? Are we adding 107? Or are we adding x? Yeah, we're adding x. And what does it equal? 107. Okay, so this is just a one-step equation. Like I said, you're not getting rid of them. You're going to draw a line down the equal sign. You're going to find the side with the variable, find the number not attached to the variable, and then perform the opposite operation. So, opposite of positive 24, you subtract 24, and then x equals 107 minus 24, and that is 83. So x is 83 degrees. There is another way you could solve it, and if you think there's another way, or if you know what the other way is, comment below and let me know how you can solve for this x using the triangle sum theorem. All right, enjoy today. It's May the 4th. May the 4th be with you. Bye.